डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम अली फारूक, लेक्चर zoology बॉयज़ हायर सेकेंडरी लिंगेट। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो सेल के मतलब है। ये काफ़ी बड़ा चैप्टर है, तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे इसमें एन ओवरव्यू ऑफ सेल यानी आर्किटेक्चर ऑफ सेल्स। ए टिपिकल सेल पोजेसेस थ्री मेजर एलिमेंट्स। एक सेल जो होती है इसमें तीन एलिमेंट्स होते हैं: आउटर इन्वेलप, बाहर वाला कवर, इसमें जेनेटिक मटीरियल एंड साइटोप्लाज्म। पहला जो आउटर इन्वेलप है, इस सेल इज सराउंडेड बाय एन आउटर मेम्ब्रेन कॉल्ड प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन। यानी सेल का जो बाहर कवर होता है उसको हम प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन और प्लाज्मा लेमा। इट आइसोलेट्स द सेल इंटीरियर। इससे क्या होता है कि सेल का जो इंटीरियर और बाहर का पोर्शन, ये बीच में एक आइसोलेशन बन जाती है इस प्लाज्मा लेमा से या प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन से। ए डिस्टिंक्ट सेल वॉल लाइज ऑन इट्स आउटसाइड इन द प्लांट सेल्स। अगर हम प्लांट सेल्स की बात करें, वहाँ प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के बजाय उनको हम प्लांट सेल वॉल बोलते हैं। और सेल वॉल इट प्रोवाइड्स प्रोटेक्शन, रिजिडिटी एंड शेप टू द सेल्स। दूसरा जो मटेरियल होता है इसमें वह है जेनेटिक मटेरियल। इट रिप्रेजेंट्स हेरिडिटी मटेरियल दैट नॉट ओनली कंट्रोल्स द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द सेल्स बट also contains information for forming the whole organism. Genetic material is DNA. In eukaryotes, it's enclosed inside the nucleus as chromatin material. The latter appears as chromosomes during cell division. In prokaryotes, the genetic material lies freely inside cytoplasm as coiled up structure called nucleate. यानी दूसरी बड़ी चीज़ जो होती है सेल में वो है जेनेटिक मटीरियल। वो क्या करता है, उसकी क्या फंक्शन है? दैट रिप्रेजेंट्स हेरिडिटी मटीरियल, not only controls the functioning of the cell but also contains information for forming the whole organism. Genetic material is DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. In eukaryotes, it is enclosed inside the nucleus as chromatin material. और तीसरा जो इसका आर्किटेक्चर है वह है साइटोप्लाज्म. It is a semi-fluid matrix that occupies the interior of the cell between nuclear region and outer envelope. Cytoplasm is the area of major cellular or life activities which keep the cell in living state. Certain functions are associated with the special cytoplasmic structures called organelles. Organelles are of three types. Number first, membraneless, for example, ribosomes, centrioles. Number second, single membrane covered, for example, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes, microbody, spherosomes. And number third, double membranes covered, for example, mitochondria, plastids in case of plant cells. So, a typical cell जो है इसमें तीन बड़े जुज होते हैं: आउटर इन्वेलप, जेनेटिक मटीरियल एंड साइटोप्लाज्म. सो साइटोप्लाज्म जो है इट्स ए सेमी फ्लूइड मैट्रिक्स. दो के बारे में हमने पढ़ा. तीसरा जो साइटोप्लाज्म, सेमी फ्लूइड, that occupies the interior of the cell between nuclear region and outer envelope. Cytoplasm is the area of major cellular or life activities. और इसमें बड़े बड़े organs which keeps the cell living in living state, and there are certain functions associated with cytoplasmic features are there. Organelles are of three types which lie in the cytoplasm. Number first हो गई membraneless, for example ribosomes, centrioles. Number second हो गई single membrane covered, for example endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes, microbodies, spherosomes. And number third, double membranes, for example mitochondria, plastids in case of plant cells. एक और बात इसमें हम इस टॉपिक में आगे चलते चलते हम एक और पॉइंट पे आते हैं: डिफरेंशिएट एंड अनडिफरेंशिएट सेल्स. Differentiated the undifferentiated cells. Depending upon the presence of differentiation or non-differentiation, cells of multicellular organisms are of three types. Number first, undifferentiated. Number second, differentiated. And number third, differentiated. पहला जो पॉइंट है गोडिक छो undifferentiated cells. यम छ stem cells in case of animals, या in case of plants हम छ वनान meristematic cells, which retain the power of division. Amun kya छ आसान खुदायन थोमुत, amun छ आसान power of division, यानी amun छ 2 बरा 4 6 8 10. For example, meristematic cells in plants, apical, lateral, intercalary. In case of animal cells, stratum, germini, vetum, germinal epithelium, bone marrow, zygote, etc. It can be differentiated cells. Yim post mitotic specialized cells which assume definite structure, shape, size, and functions. For example, muscle cells for contraction, nerve cells for impulse conduction, CV tube cells for solute conduction, erythrocytes for oxygen transport. So these are called differentiate. Stream cosm dedifferentiate cells. They are cells which lose their differentiated or specialized nature and resume the functions for forming new cells. Cells, cells. Dedifferentiated cells are also called secondary meristematic or stem cells. They are important for healing of wounds, regeneration in animals, later growth in plant cells. इसके बाद आता है इसी पॉइंट के साथ cell shape. Cell shape. A number of shapes occur in cells: globular, oval, discoid, polygonal, cuboid, cuboidal, rectangular, cylindrical, thread-like, branched, irregular, etc. The shape depends upon number first functions in a cell shape शक्ल cell cell मुख्तलिफ शक्ल ये गोल ये oval ये discoidal polygonal cuboidal rectangular cylindrical thread like पंदावी branched irregular functions. RBCs are circular and biconcave to pass through narrow capillaries and transport oxygen. WBCs are amoeboid or irregular with pseudopodia like amoeba for squeezing out through capillaries and to perform phagocytes. Muscle cells are elongated for contraction. Nerve cells are very long for conduction of impulse to distant places from different parts, body parts to brain, vice versa. Number 5, intestinal cells are columnar, tall and narrow with microvilli on their free surface for absorption of food materials. Placid parenchyma cells of leaf are vertically elongated to reduce light falling on chloroplasts. इसी तरह से God cells are reuniform in outline. They expand and contract literally to create or close stomatal pores. So cells are arranged in files to form vessels, CV tubes for long distance translocation in plants. Sperm cells have tail for motility while eggs are spherical to accommodate maximum nutrients. So इसी तरह से इनमें एक और पॉइंट आता है पोजीशन. Flat epithelial cells are surface cells, polygonal and cortical cells, culminating in plastic tissues and sensory tissues, etc. Mutual comparison, it often forms polygonal cells. Cell wall, it provides rigidity to the cell surface. The shape is governed by the factors of position and pressure in young state and functions in the late stage. Skeleton, it may be external or internal. The complex shape is found in the diagonophalanges, some protozoans, protists, diatoms, decimates are due to their skeleton. Other minor factors controlling shape are age, viscosity of protoplasm, cilia, flagella, etc. That was all about the architecture of cell. Tomorrow we will deliver a lecture on cell size. What is the maximum size of cells? Thank you.